Director ke Health Service MI Dr. Amanwar hanya ke Pratrik Unailar Ahaja Arpo ula pentip bagi dan live sound kinong terai haki Jaka Sumar ha East Castles District ki bayo COVID-19. Ula itu ruba ke DHS kala batha ya barok ki hospital bagi Devan Bu Marwe officer in charge ban pet ki Jaka ki besong quarantine kinong terai ki batrai ha Jaka Sumar khnang bagi yo pet ngore ke jingbo denti ke jongki ki kindon quarantine.
34 health workers.
Only from East Castles. We have asked all our hospitals to put one doctor in charge or one officer in charge to look after the place where our health staff are being quarantined, so that they follow strictly the quarantine protocols and that they are not to come out from the place of quarantine to the general public and mix around with the general public.